Alright boys, we got this DS2 out here and we've got the Manticore, but we're only going to show the 11-inch call with the Manticore. It just so happens it's got an 11-inch and that DS2 just happens to have a 9-inch. Now I buried a nickel here not quite 7 inches deep. Okay, let this car get by. So like I said, that nickel is probably not quite 7 inches deep. It might be 7 inches deep. It's not over 7 inches deep. And, you know, this one old cat, you know, I've never seen a multi-frequency idea, single frequency be outdone ID-wise by multi-frequency. I don't know where he gets that from, okay? So this machine, when we look at it here, I've got the ID blowed up on it. Disclaimer here, I have not even ground balanced the multi-frequency, but I have ground balanced the mono program 17 kilohertz. I've got a solo nickel here. Now we're going to look at that Manticore too. Alright. Now I can't say this is not necessarily sterile where this is buried, okay? General program, stock general program. Only thing I did, I haven't done anything to it. You see that? Alright, and here's a solo nickel. Alright, sensitive program. Now it's going to be a weak signal because I've not done anything to it. See that ID? Alright. Sensitive FT, stock program. You see that? Alright, fast program, stop. You can see that ID. Now, mono program 17 kilohertz. I've ground balanced this machine at 17 kilohertz. I'm going to turn the sensitivity up. 95, 94. Reactivity's been lowered to 2. Here's a solo nickel. You get to see that 63. What do we get here? You see that? Even short sweeps. You see that? ID's all over the place, okay? Let me turn the camera off. We're going to put the almighty Manticore with an 11-inch coil over this baby. Alright? Manticore. Everything you see will be speed 5 in this video on that nickel there. That's an 11-inch stock coil. Here's a solo nickel elevated. You get to see that. All-terrain low conductor. Alright. All-terrain high conductors. That's a solo nickel. Okay. Now, we're going to go here single frequency. Here's 15 kilohertz. That's what that's going to be, 15 kilohertz. And I'm going to ground balance it. I didn't ground balance the multi-frequency you just seen with this detector. You see what we've got in the window there? It's about what you get here in the 30s, okay? Speed 5. Here's the solo nickel right here. About 28. You see that? Which one do you thought you would find that nickel if you were select digging with? Single frequency with either one of these model detectors shown? Or multi-frequency? back to all-terrain low conductors multi-acute plus. You see that? Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Now remember, that's freshly buried. You know, there was some talk back when, oh, multi-frequency freshly buried, don't cut it. Single frequency will outperform it. Well, this is an 11-inch coil on this detector. That's not an overly deep target, okay? That nickel. Nickel's not a real small coin. It's not a monster coin. We may use this little scenario here and do some more tests. I don't know yet. Hope you enjoyed.